had a lot of questions about it over the last few days. And so tonight we're talking to a health expert in order to get some answers. News 12 New Jersey's Naomi Yanez is live in Brunswick for us to let us know what people at home should know. Naomi?
Yeah, infections that happen after you've been immunized for a particular disease are called breakthroughs. And that's what we saw happen with members of the New York Yankees who were fully vaccinated, got COVID anyway, but showed no symptoms.
Dr. Swaminathan, an infectious diseases specialist at Rutgers, New Jersey Medical School, said overall the vaccine is in fact effective at preventing serious illness and protecting against getting COVID. While these breakout cases may look concerning, the doctor says they prove that the vaccines are working.
These are really why we should get vaccinated, so that even if you get exposed, you will have a very mild infection, as opposed to, exactly a year ago, we probably would have seen people getting a lot sicker if they got exposed without the vaccine.
In the case of members of the Yankee organization testing positive for COVID, the doctor said it's important to note that most of the positive cases were asymptomatic.
If the vaccines did what they were supposed to do, they prevented these players from feeling sick and having serious complications, at least based on what we know thus far.
Out of caution, doctors are currently keeping track of cases of fully vaccinated patients who test positive for COVID.
Whenever we have infections develop in any patient who has been vaccinated previously, most of us are analyzing the strains or sending them to the CDC to see if there's any variants that we should be concerned about.
Dr. Swaminathan continues to urge Americans to get vaccinated and said common concerns she hears among patients are regarding side effects like fevers or arm soreness. And she says while those symptoms may appear scary for some, it's important to know that those symptoms are generally mild, they're very short-lasting, and have no long-lasting side effects.
And Naomi, how common are these breakthrough cases?
The doctor said these cases are not common at all. They're fairly rare. And if someone who is fully vaccinated does, in fact, get COVID again, or if they get it at all for the first time, they're less likely to get very sick from it. So that's, I guess, the bit of good news from that.
Those are the answers we were looking for. Naomi, thank you for that.